everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So this is Dileswari. Welcome back to my channel where I am trying to boost my confidence while speaking English. And I have come after a long time because of many reasons, and this time I have come with a series of storytelling because it's my very interested part. When I practice storytelling, then I boost my confidence because I cover the all area. I practice all phrases, idioms and English expressions. So this time I'm going to challenge myself. I will count every story, and this way I will try to be consistent with my task. So let's start today's story. Today's story is very important and very familiar for us, and we all are habitual of it. We try to maintain consistency when we are learning something, but it is very difficult to stick with that habit, especially when we inculcate good habits. And for good habits, should break the bad one. So it is very difficult to stick with good habits. So this story is related that one. So let's start. It's about Rahul. So Rahul always wanted to become a better person, but old habits die hard. He stayed up late every night and often said, I will start tomorrow. One day, he looked in the mirror and said, it's time to turn over a new leaf. He decided to wake up early in the morning, exercise, and practice English for 20 minutes every day. At first, it was difficult to break the habit of checking his phone every few minutes. He slipped up, but he didn't give up. Instead, he learned from his mistakes and he kept his chin up. Yes. And his friends laughed and said, why are you working so hard? Rahul smiled and said, I am going to stay the course because good things take time. Rahul was so confident this time. Whenever he felt tired or discouraged, he tried to remember himself, take one day at a time. Because he knew that slow and steady always wins the race. Yes. So he practiced all the things for a long time, and after few months he became healthier, more confident and more disciplined. Because he knew that if you go slow with your particular strategy and things, definitely one day you get your success, you achieve your success, and you gain your confidence, you improve your confidence, and you become much more confident than how you learn that particular thing. So he always remembered that there is a will, where there is a will, there is a way. Yes, and slow, small actions can change a person's life. So friends, I hope you all will like this story and you can resonate with story. Whatever idioms I have used, expressions I have used in this story, I will be highlighted and I will give in the description box. You can check out, you can visit my description box. Then you can repeat, you can learn, and you can also become eloquent English speaker. I hope it will be very helpful for you. So if you liked my story, so you can like, and thank you so much for watching, and keep learning stay consistent and keep smiling and keep healthy always. And I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.